Welcome back to SyncLab Coding YouTube channel. Well, today I am going to give a demo about an AI chatbot for college queries, which is designed to efficiently handle questions about admissions, academic queries, academic programs, courses, exam schedules, etc. So this AI bot is built using the Flux framework, and we have used Ollama for the local LLM. So this bot uses RAG system to answer questions. So these are the tech stack we have used. For backend, we have used Flux framework. We need Python 3.8 version, at least 3.8 version, and you need Ollama for the LLM support. So, and also we have used ChromaDB for the vector storage, and also for the front end we have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now I am going to show you the chat interface. Here you can see a clean chat interface. So these are the preset buttons for common queries. So it helps users to get started easily. So I'll click here. Typing indicators appears. This shows the bot is thinking. Yes, you can see the answers, but responds with course details and check. So now going to type a question. How do I apply for admission? Let's see what it replies. What is thinking? Here you can see, but respond with the admission details. You can see the step-by-step details how to get into admission. I'm going to type another question. What is the application fee for UG program? Application fees for UG program. Let's see what it replies. Here you can see the exact result. So it shows for UG program the application fee is 500 with a nice explanation. And I will type eligibility criteria for MCA. Typing another question. So it gives this response. Eligibility criteria for MCA. Here you can see the response. It gives a detailed response, which is very nice. So basically this bot can be used as a support bot for colleges.